Are you looking for a mini PC for gaming? In this video, I will show you the 5 best mini PC for gaming based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Mini PC Computer Aerofara. Aerofara Aero 2 Mini PC based on the latest Gemini Lake Celeron J4125 processor, with UHD graphics 600, HDMI and VGA dual display. You can expand the Mini PC to 4K TV monitors and a realistic 4K video area. Compatible with M.2 SSD and expandable SD card, download your favorite shows and movies with smooth and responsive browsing and quick launch applications. Outstanding connectivity features. Open the website in seconds, quickly download the file, watch the video without buffering, the game will not stop abnormally. The 4th product on the list is the HUNSN 8K Mini PC. Compact, fully functional, all the power and functionality of a desktop computer in a compact, stylish chassis, powered by strong Intel 6 cores 12 threads i7-8750H processor. TDP consumption is around 45 W if 8 hours one day, only around 3 kWh electricity weekly, power saving and space saving. Low power consumption, low heat, use dedicated turbo smart silent cooling fan to ensure long-term operation and stable heat dissipation. Business-friendly feature. The 3rd product on the list is the HP Pavilion Desktop. Built reliably for real-life action, demands serious performance and tested durability. The HP Pavilion Desktop PC brings the latest technology and reliability from a trusted brand that protects what matters to you most. Made for the modern family, ditch the dull black box with a polished silver brushed finish that perfectly fits in any space. Entertainment amplified, enjoy listening to the music on your smartphone through your PC's speakers. Stream music from your smartphone to your PC using Bluetooth, R technology with HP Audio Stream. Enjoy high performance with 8GB DDR4-2666 SDRAM memory. This desktop is designed for whatever your family throws at it. The 2nd product on the list is the Intel NUC 10 Performance Mini PC. Featuring the power of 10th generation Intel Core processors, the Intel NUC 10 Performance has the power to create content as well as consume it. Record and mix music, add animation effects to your video edits, or over-binge your favorite shows in stunning ultra-high-def 4K. Whatever it is, this Intel Mini PC brings full-size PC performance at a size small enough to fit in the palm of your hand. Available with a choice of hard drive configurations to meet your speed and storage needs, the NUC 10 Performance has the ports to connect every peripheral and keep your data moving at top speed. And with triple display support, you can multitask across multiple screens and give your brilliance room to spread out. The 1st product on the list is the MSECORE Mini Desktop PC. This mini game computer is equipped with i9 9th Gen CPU. Powerful processor for a better gaming experience. The GTX 1650/1050Ti discrete graphics provide superior visual experience, not only in games, but also in other videos. Both HDMI and DP support 4K output. When you connect 2 monitors with the computer, it can transfer visual images on 2 screens. You can set by right-click on the desktop. There is option about dual screen display. The graphics card has dual fans to cool the machine. Besides, the computer is designed with full aluminum shell which assist to conduct heat. This gaming PC can works well under high-pressure environment for a long time. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.